Though in the last 6 months, many American IT majors, including Microsoft, Dell, and IBM, have cut jobs due to the slowdown, yet Indian software exports remain stable for the North American region.
IT slowdown in US has actually affected the Indian economy in positive manner. Out of Fortune 500 companies, 185 software companies are outsourcing India as for their software requirements. So the Indian economy is in fact being affected in a positive note due to this IT slowdown.
The growth that we've witnessed this year is the result of the orders of the previous years. Because in the IT industry, orders are given in bulk. Big industries don't give you an order for one case or two cases or not like that. They are big orders. They are mission critical software. So they are bigger orders which are have been given in the previous years. They are just being executed now. So I think the real reason for the good performance is that these orders are of previous years, and whether at all the US economic slowdown will affect us or not, we'll know next year.
However, the domestic software market did not do so well. According to NASSCOM, due to the growth in internet, e-business, the small office, home office segment, and technologies like WAP, the domestic segment will perform better this year. Analysts feel that this year will be full of challenges for the domestic industry.
The technological shift and the new technologies coming up, WLL and these kind of things, wireless applications, and .NET technology which has been recently launched by Microsoft. These kind of technologies is going to be a real challenge for real-time software projects in India.
Quality was never a challenge, because if we didn't have good quality, we wouldn't have succeeded worldwide. And quality is a problem perennial to other industries in India. But since it's not a problem in the IT sector, the main problem here I see is infrastructure development again. Power shortages, telecom sector is not up to the mark, although things are improving. There are other facilities that are available for software developers in other parts of the world, which are still not there.
I am quite positive that IT industry is going to achieve that. The latest, if I am not wrong, the latest survey tells the IT is growing at a pace of 38%, which is even quite better. You tell me one industry which is maintaining this kind of growth rate. The expectations with the IT industry has gone soaringly high, in fact. That is the only problem, the expectations have gone very, very high. But there is no other industry maintaining this kind of growth rate, 20-25% for that matter even.
There will be an effect, definitely, because US is the biggest market and its most prominent market. The biggest orders come from there. But then, since the alternate markets have opened up, I don't see industry's performance dipping in any way. I mean, it won't be that kind of a slump.
Several countries are outsourcing their software requirements to India. Now, whether Indian companies can keep up their constant growth, even in the face of adversities, remains to be seen.